What is Arduino? Arduino is known as the basis of Internet of Things. In Arduino Uno, Uno means one in Italian. It was used to mark release of IDE 1.0, which is known as the software platform of IoT. Hello guys, this is Dr. Anzar Ahmed, and in this episode I am going to cover Arduino Uno board and its pin description. So the first, let's get what is Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is an open source microcontroller based board on the microchip Atmega 328P microcontroller, and it is developed by Arduino.cc. The board has sets of digital and analog inputs and output pins. Arduino is easy to use electronic platform for hardware and software as well, but particularly it is used for hardware part, because for the software purpose we use Raspberry Pi most of the time. Arduino Uno are able to read input lights on sensors, a finger on a button or a social media message, and turn it into an output, for example switching on a motor, a fan, LED, or some other devices or machine. Now let me discuss about pin description of Arduino. This is USB cable or B-type jack. This is used to upload program in microcontroller. We can use Android phone as well to load the program with the help of OTG cable. This jack is known as the power jack. It is used to give 20 volt power supply, and if we are giving power supply more than 20 volt, then your board may be damaged. So the recommended power supply is 7 to 12 volt. This is a regulator IC to convert 12 volt to 5 volt supply. These are capacitor of 47 microfarad used for filtering to avoid spike from supply. This is open IC, which is used as a comparator to compare the voltage to voltage, and this is the regulator IC to convert 3.3 volt. This is crystal oscillator used to control speed of microcontroller, which is 16 megahertz, and this is a header pin. These pins are support SPI, which is stand for serial peripheral interface for external devices. We generally use these header pins when we make the board as a master and slave. These are power pins. Actually these are the third option to use the power. So we can give 3 volt as well as 5 volt power supply from here. Analog pins, there are 6 in numbers, A0 to A5, and they are used as input pins. For example, we can connect sensors with these inputs. They are analog in nature. This is reset, which is used to start the loaded program again. These are the digital pins, which are 14 in numbers, 0 to 13, are used for input and output for digital combinations. And this is also the header pin, which supports the external devices. It was all about the Arduino board and its pin description, and I hope you got it very well.